Hello guys, I use my phone Samsung Galaxy S10. This version 8GB RAM memory and 128GB internal memory. So start unpacking. Open box. Look completion. Completion we have phone in the black color. Galaxy S10. Okay. And completion. Adapter for charging, quick charge. 2 ampere. Adapter USB to USB Type-C. Okay, good. USB Type-C cable, the black color, and headphones AKG. Okay, good completion. And now talk about the phone. Phone made of glass and metal. On the front side glass, Corning Gorilla Glass 6. On the back side triple camera LED. On the right side power key. Left side voice assistant key and volume key. Upside slot for 2 nano SIM card or 1 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. Downside jack for headphones, micro USB, USB Type-C port, speaker and microphone. Okay. Turn on device. Quad HD Plus resolution. Dynamic AMOLED display. We have fingerprint scanner in display. Open settings. Look, Android version, Android 9, version 1.1 and version Knox 3.3. Close this. Open Geekbench 4. CPU Qualcomm Snapdragon 9820. This is 4 plus 2 plus 2 cores. CPU speed. GPU Mali G76. Okay, look, results, single core score, compare, and GPU test results, compare. Close Geekbench 4, open next test AnTuTu benchmark, look AnTuTu score, okay, very powerful. This 5 plays in the best results. Okay, powerful only Galaxy S10 Plus, Mi 9 and Samsung S10 Snapdragon version. Okay, open demanding game, PUBG Mobile, and look, gameplay. I skip loading. Okay, game load. We have Max graphic and ultra frame. Game works very smooth. Perfect gameplay. Max graphic level. Very smooth. Good FPS. Game works without problem. And another games work perfect too. GTA San Andreas works very good, like PUBG Mobile. Okay, close this and open camera, main triple camera, this 12 plus 12 plus 16 megapixels, okay, and front camera 10 megapixels. And now I show you photos on the main camera. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.